Good morning, everyone. Today, our team will present our article that belongs to survey that we do in Google Form. Before we start our presentation, let me introduce myself first. First one is me. My name is Nabila Saffiya. The three last digit name is 109.
My name is Nayla Ika with last digit name 060.
And then Masdania Sayyidatul, the last digit name 246.
And last, I'm Ananda Zahra with last digit name 219.
All right, before we start the presentation, Nanda, can you share the screen?
Okay, wait.
Okay. The article is about journal report that exploring student interest in developing writing skills in Faculty of Economic and Business Surabaya State University. The first one is introduction. The introduction focus on this research is to explain the influence and interest survey on students to take part in virtual article training. And this research observed interest in reading to 149 students that belongs to Faculty of Economic and Business, Surabaya State University, Information Literacy organized by Vanessa Scientific Community or FFC, FEB UNESA 2024 as its flagship work program. This research uses a quantitative method, (OTEL), uses an initial test by providing several questions to measure the development of each variable and also a column to provide your own answers. The survey results show that relatively many students are interested in taking part in virtual article training. For research including those who want to start learning to write scientific articles and those who want to deepen their knowledge by taking part in scientific article competition from small to large scale. This research can be concluded that the motivation of students to take part in this article training is very enthusiastic, which can later be maintained, even improved, and changed from online training to offline.
And then literature review. Scientific articles are an important aspect in the academic world, both for teachers and lecturers, research, and students. Scientific articles contain scientific discoveries about a range of science and technology that have gone through a process of learning and searching for scientific truth. That now we have entered the 5.0 era where the digital world is very broad. Therefore, we can hold turning in writing reputable scientific articles online or webinars by inviting experts in writing scientific articles with the aim of helping students who want to try to learn and deepen their knowledge article training.
Okay, I will explain about methodology. So, this research method used in this research is a quantitative method with a survey using Google Forms. It is a research method that uses a lot of numbers, starting from the data collection process to its interpretation. Questionnaire is a data collection technique that is done by giving a set of questions to respondents to answer. This data can be used to identify patterns, trends, and relationships between variables measured in this study. Next.
From the findings, the journal report exploring student interest in developing writing skills in Faculty of Economics and Business, Surabaya State University. From the result of the research, with data originating from Google Forms, the following results and findings can be seen. And then one, student interest in developing writing skills. The research results show that 135 respondents came from FEB and the rest came from other faculties. On average, respondents came from accounting, education study programs. The rest came from management, digital business, and accounting study program. The class of 20 and 23 had the large number of respondents with 139 students, while the class of 20 and 22 had 7 students, and the class of 20 and 21 had 3 students. 2. Use of Google Form as research tool. This research used Google Form as a research tool, which is a Google Docs service that is very suitable for use a research medium. The data collection and process was carried out online via Google Formulaire using a questionnaire and analyzed using statistical analysis techniques. And then 3. Use of Google Form as a learning evaluation tool. Research Fauzi's result revealed that the use of Google Form as a learning evaluation tool in Indonesian language subject began.
The survey results also showed that most of the respondents, the 91 respondents, have never attended ethical training and 65 respondents have never participated in an ethical competition. Some respondents also said that ethical training needs to be conducted because there are still many students who are confused in writing scientific articles, from compiling writing structure, systematics, and developing ideas. Next.
And then discussion to journal report. This online scientific article writing training activity aims to assist students in learning and understanding the writing of scientific article in organized and quality manner. The lecture method combined with a slideshow of material with a combined Microsoft PowerPoint format that is equipped with image, animation, and display that they are relatively able to provide. The results show that 63% of respondents had never attended an article training webinar or seminar, while 36% had attended an article training webinar or seminar. Some respondents also said that this article training webinar needs to be implemented because there are still many students who are confused about starting to write scientific articles, starting from the preparation of writing structure, systematic, and idea development.
Okay. Next, in conclusion of evolving writing skills, including article writing training, is very important for Surabaya State University students. The research results showed that 63 of respondents had never attended a webinar article training seminar, while 36 had attended a webinar article training seminar. Several respondents also said that this article training webinar needs to be implemented because there are still many students who are confused about starting to write scientific articles, from preparing the writing structure, systematic, and developing ideas. By using quantitative method and surveys using Google Form, the result of this research can produce quantitative data that can be processed using statistical analysis techniques. This data can be used to identify patterns, trend, and relationship between the variable measured in this research.
This conclusion shows that a survey regarding student interest in developing writing, especially article writing training conducted online or Zoom, is very important for identifying the needs and interests of Surabaya State University students in developing writing skills. The result of the survey can be used to develop writing training programs that suit student needs so that they can help students start writing scientific articles better. So that's all from our team. Any by change? Thank you for listening to us. Sorry if there's a lot of mistake by pronunciation or the grammar too. Thank you and good morning.